how playing it safe in business is actually risky as. My name is Nadine Daff, former henna artist turned into business coach and founder of the business therapy program that's aimed at helping you build systems that lands you clients on autopilot. What is the difference between the average Joe and the average millionaire? The average Joe, their most perceived valuable asset is money, whereas the average millionaire considers as time as their most valuable resource. Think about it in this context. Are you more inclined to lose money or to lose time? Bearing in mind that money comes and goes, whereas time is the one resource that can never be replenished. You can never get time back. What ends up happening is that most business owners are so scared to invest in their business or to invest in themselves, thinking that they're playing it safe that way by trying to DIY, by trying to do all the tasks themselves, by trying to meal piece it together, not bearing in mind that they have lost on all this time that they could have easily bought back by simply investing in their business. And think about it that way. If you are not willing to invest in yourself or to invest in your business, then how do you expect other people to invest in you? And so usually what millionaires or these highly successful established business owners do is that they either outsource by hiring a staff or even hiring a VA that helps with the trivial tasks to buy their time back in order to allow them to focus on the stuff that matters the most. And secondly, they hire experts and they hire professional coaches that help steer them into the direction that they want in order to grow their business expansively. And so what ends up happening is that you believe that you are playing it safe by saving the money, when in reality you are not looking at the opportunity cost of all this time that you've lost, not to mention the time that you are prolonging and trying to figure this out yourself, and prolonging the idea of not having to work a 9 to 5, prolonging the situation of being stuck on where you are today, when you could have easily got rid of that by simply investing in your business. The bottom of this is that it's riskier playing it safe than it is than the risk itself. So I actually want to know, is there any investment that you are willing to make that you're kind of scared and you backed out at the last minute? If you have any investments that you are considering making and you want a second opinion, or you want someone to help you out and let you figure out, is this the right investment or not, then I highly recommend booking your free 30-minute business therapy coaching call with me so that I can help you therapize this process and help you into ease of mind through your investment. My name is Nadine Daff, and I will see you tomorrow.